Hello, my name is Tim Lee Healy, and in this video we're going to be talking about the auto tagging widget. In particular, we're going to be talking about the database query capability. This is a pretty odd and, let's say, eclectic feature. It doesn't necessarily fit in perfectly with the other ones, and to be honest, I'm not entirely sure uh, the broader application of the feature. Let me show you what it is, and then we can discuss it a little bit. Hop straight into my tool. Quincy, and we're going to open up the auto tagging widget, and then we'll go right here to database query. We've only got our one case, so we're going to select our demo case. And what this feature allows you to do is to write any query you want and run it against the backend tables that store the evidence data in Quincy. It's not a heck of a lot different, frankly, than running a search or running filters utilizing the grid, which effectively accomplishes the same thing. But this gives you raw access to the backend databases. So right now here I'm selecting star from the common underscore objects table. And if I just run that query, all the data comes back. We've got it in both text form and in table form. So let's expand the table a little bit more so maybe we can see some interesting things. It's exactly what you might expect it to be from a raw selection of information in the backend database. You can see what we've stored in the common underscore objects table. And you can do this for any of the tables. You obviously need to be sophisticated enough to know how to go into your database and look up the table names, and that's not necessarily published anywhere. And you really need to know what you're doing in order to utilize this feature. To be honest, it goes a good bit above my own capabilities, so I really can't sort of speculate on why somebody would want this, but it was a customer request and it was relatively easy to do, so we did it. So if this is of interest to you and you want to write complex queries and you want to go to town on the backend database, it's right here, and have at it. But that's really all I wanted to show you regarding this feature. So if you have any questions, feel free to post as always. And thank you very much for your time.